Introduction to Financial Accounting. Accounting is as old as money itself. The act of accounting was not as developed as it is today because in the early stages of civilization, the number of transactions to be recorded was so small that each businessman was able to record and check for himself all his transactions. Accounting was practiced in India 23 centuries ago, as is clear from the book named Arthashastra written by Kautilya. Kautilya was King Chandragupta's minister. What is financial accounting? Financial accounting is a method to communicate financial information to interested external parties. Who are the external parties? External parties include capital providers, regulators, customers, suppliers, employees, etc. Capital suppliers include debt and equity providers also. Accounting is a wider term and includes the recording, classifying, and summarizing of business transactions in the term of money, the preparation of financial reports, the analysis and interpretation of these reports for the information and guidance of management. Coming to the definition of accounting, accounting refers to the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, and analyzing the information gathered or collected in monetary terms, and therefore interpreting the results to the users who are interested in such information. The attributes of accounting are identifying the transactions. It is an art of recording business transactions, and it is the art of classifying business transactions, and the transactions or events of business must be recorded in monetary terms. It is the art of summarizing financial transactions, and it is the art of analysis and interpretation of these transactions. The result of such analysis must be communicated to the persons who are to make decisions or form judgments. Now, coming to the point, is accounting a science or an art? What is the meaning and definition of science? Science is a branch of knowledge or study dealing with a body of facts or truths systematically arranged and showing the operation of general laws. Science is a systematic knowledge of the physical or material world gained through observation and experiment. So, science is a knowledge which is gained through observation and experimentation. Science is any of the branches of natural or physical science. Science is a systematized knowledge in general. So, science is a knowledge or the facts or the principles, knowledge gained by systematic study. What is the definition of art? The expression or application of human creative skills and imagination, that is in visual form such as painting or producing the work to be appropriately for their emotional power, is an art. Art is the work produced by skill and imagination. Art is a skill, or art is the power of performing certain actions acquired by experience, study, or observation. Thus, we can say that accounting is both an art and a science, because it is an art because it can be learnt by practice and not by mere listening to it like scientific rules. Everything accountant is not same. Many are good and other make mistake. Like every person is not a great artist. It is a science because it is based on many rules, principles, concepts, conventions, and assumptions. Accounting, everything goes accordingly. Your balance sheet match, trial balances match, and profiles can be calculated correctly. But even a single accounting concept is mishandled, then everything goes wrong. So, it brings propagation errors. So, we need to go back step by step to trace the same error. That's the reason why we can say that it is a science. Now, coming to the another concept of the subject, that is the difference between bookkeeping and the accounting. What is the difference between bookkeeping and accounting? Accounting is performed by an accountant. Bookkeeping is performed by a bookkeeper. The purpose of accounting is the interpretation and also the preparation of financial statements, that is balance sheet, trial balance, profit and loss account. Okay. And the bookkeeping, the purpose of the bookkeeping is to record of the transactions, classifying the transactions, and the summarization of the transactions. And the result is used by the internal, that is management, and the employees. And the external users are owners, creditors, banks, etc. The results used by the bookkeeping are accountants. The difference according to the object of accounting is to record, classify, summarize, analyze, and interpret the business transactions and to ascertain operating results and financial position and to communicate to various users. The object of bookkeeping is to prepare original books of accounts, that is trial balance and the final accounts, and to maintain systematic records of financial results. The objectives of accounting. Objectives of the accounting are to ascertain whether the business operations have been profitable or not. The second one is to ascertain the financial position of the business. And the third one is to generate the information to the users. And the fourth is to generate the information, communicate the information to the users. Now, the step by step detailed information about the objectives, how the profitability ascertainment shows true figures of profit earned by the business or losses incurred by the business enterprises. The financial position shows true financial position of the business, position of assets and liabilities, and helps the administrators to decide for future well-being. The main objective of the accounting is also to generate information. Generating information about the financiability of the business enterprises. Financiability is nothing but the true benchmarks which will be showing the business whether the business is surviving in the long run by providing with good sources of accurate data. It also helps in forecasting. The accounting helps the business enterprise to predict the position of the business in future and decides the future accessibility.